Have you ever heard about the so-called miracle fruits for cancer? When I tell patients to eat a balanced diet, stay hydrated, and focus on proper nutrition, they nod politely. But as soon as someone forwards them a viral message claiming that some exotic fruit juice is a miracle cure, suddenly it's all the rage. Dragon fruit, starfruit, mangosteen, rambutans, graviola. These superfruits have taken over supermarket shelves like they're competing for a fruit fashion show. Here's what happens. Patients get so obsessed with these so-called miracle cures that they forget about balanced nutrition. Instead of eating regular, healthy meals, they load up on fruits and juices and nothing else. It's like replacing your entire wardrobe with just socks. Socks are great, but you need the whole outfit. Now let's get real. Cancer is complex. If curing cancer was as simple as eating dragon fruit, we'd be prescribing fruit salads instead of chemotherapy. Exotic fruits are overhyped. Yes, they have vitamins and antioxidants, but so do the fruits you already eat. Apples, bananas, and oranges work just fine. They're expensive. These miracle fruits can cost a fortune, and there's no scientific evidence that they're better than a balanced diet. Instead of chasing miracle cures, focus on eating a variety of fruits, vegetables, proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Stay hydrated. Consult with your doctor or a nutritionist to make sure your diet supports your treatment plan. Here's my advice. Be skeptical of miracle cures. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Before you start any new diet or supplement, talk to your doctor. Have you ever heard of a wild miracle cure story? Drop it in the comments below and let's debunk it together. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical advice on cancer care, nutrition, and staying informed.